Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to change colors for any crochet project. So as usual, you're going to need a crochet hook and some yarn. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below as usual. So to begin, I have already made a little test swatch here using some single crochets, and I have gotten to the end of my 5th row. And I'm going to show you how to change colors at the end of the row real quick. So I am already in the middle of making my last single crochet in this row, but I have left the last 2 loops on my hook right here. And this is going to be how we're going to change the color. So we're going to grab the new color that we want to change to. And I have already made a little pre-slip knot on my hook. That way it's going to just be easy to bring it through. So we would take the new color and we would simply just bring it through those last 2 loops. And as you can see, it still looks like the single crochets that I had already made in the row, but it's like a clean way of bringing the yarn through the new color to complete the stitch while also changing the color. So then, with this new row, I'm going to begin doing some double crochets. So I'm going to turn my work, and using the new color that we just attached, I'm going to start doing some double crochets. Okay, so say we want to change colors again. Then what we would do, say we're trying to change colors in the middle of this row right here. What you would do is you would take the stitch that you're currently doing. I'm doing double crochet. So I'm going to leave the last 2 loops of that double crochet open. I'm going to bring in my next color. And I'm going to add it to my hook. And I'm going to bring it through those 2 loops. And that is going to complete out that double crochet that we were just working. So then I'm going to continue with my new color. Sorry, it gets all crazy here with all the colors that I'm using. I'm going to continue with this color. And as you can see right here, what we did is we brought it in through those last 2 loops, and you can tell that this stitch did not change. It looks just like the other double crochet stitches, but you really can't tell the color change. It's sort of hidden. So that is the whole point of these color changes in the middle of the row. It's a very clean way to do it. That way you don't really notice the color change. So then, say we want to color change again. I'm going to show you guys one more time, and I'm going to just make some double crochets here. And I'm going to leave those 2 loops on my hook right here. Bring in that new color, attach it to my hook, and just bring it on through those 2 loops. So then you would just continue like normal. Grab that yarn and finish out that double crochet. And that is going to be how to change colors at the beginning of a row and in the middle of your row. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me any feedback for future videos. Please like and subscribe to see more from me. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.